Einar, when I say manufacturing, what do you see then?
Fabric?
Yeah, of course, this fabrics, but also acoustic pattern recognition. We have steel production, pricing, forecasting, and also, of course, IoT with connected factory, connected cars, energy optimization, and these are the nominees.
The nominees are Digiterra from Turkey, ECS from China, Jingquang from China, LivNSense from India, Nanyang Polytech from Singapore, New Peak Neurons from India, and Nugrain from Belgium.
The team did a great job. The description of their use case was clear, concise, and compelling. It is obvious they have a deep understanding of their industry and the application of advanced analytics. Moreover, their approach could be applied to a wide range of manufacturers outside their immediate industry. Their use of the SAS platform was equally impressive. From data exploration to machine learning, the team illustrated how SAS's end-to-end capabilities could be leveraged to democratize analytics. SAS is thankful for their contributions and looks forward to future collaboration.
And now for the manufacturing category, the winner from India, the LivNSense Technologies.
Oh, congratulations.